It's all high-vis and hard hats as the Tumu hikoi reach the Waiariki rohe. Today they ventured into the Rotoma Forest to see kaiako and tauira in action on the Foundation and Forest Harvesting program.
Kia ora, my name's Mark No. I like getting dirty, I like getting hot and sweaty out here and cutting these logs. I would love a career in forestry. You need the qualifications, so that's why we're doing these courses, so that we got all the right paperwork that we need, so that we can get a job out in the forest.
My name's Shane Kaho. I'm the kaiako and basically the trainer for this forestry course.
Shane Kaho is a forestry veteran. When he started in the industry 34 years ago, proper training and safety practices were virtually non-existent.
Starting at the age of 14, I came through the industry in a hard way, was shown a chainsaw and told to cut trees, didn't really know what I was doing, got yelled at, never really got taught much. So passing my knowledge on to these guys, I think it'll help.
I enjoy Shane teaching us, because he's teaching us, he's got a lot of knowledge there to give to us, bro, and then that's going to make us better forestry workers in the future.
As well as learning the fundamentals of forest harvesting, the program has a strong reputation for health and safety.
The first motto that we learned was take all practical steps to enable your own safety and that of others. So more or less, watch out for your brothers, work safe, and yeah, just don't be silly about it, eh? Got a deadly machine in your hand, use it wisely, bro.
Tumu ara mātauranga Nepia Winiata is proud of the focus on safety in the workplace.
First of all, I've been very impressed with the health and safety kōrero that we had before we were allowed to walk around, and that they don't actually fell trees, the students themselves, in this process. I thought we would come here and see, timber and the trees falling, but it's good to see that the safety is really a strong point, and that they can't do that until they become proficient.
For tauira like Mike Nahu, who struggled at secondary school, the style of teaching the wānanga office has seen him thrive in this environment, and he's excited about his career prospects.
We show them that there's a different way of learning, a way where they can truly understand.
I didn't really like school myself, I dropped out at third form. The learning with Shane, he's not just book and a pen, he's actually showing us a different side of how to learn how to do it through the chainsaw, the physical aspects of it, showing us how to do different cuts and all of that to make sure you don't get jammed like a few of the brothers in the background.
Well, I think it's great that we can give the students some experience so that they become attractive to employers. They know they're at a minimum level of competency, and clearly, like this particular land block, it's owned by Māori and they're keen to employ some of their own iwi.
So is the forestry program transforming the lives of tauira?
Last year, I had a 17-year-old, had a bad background, done the full course, had 100% attendance. He's working now in one of the forestry crews here, and at the age of 17, he's making $1,600 a fortnight. He's buying himself a car. He can take care of himself, to nothing to something like that. Now that to me is a massive outcome.
The last stop of the day was a short visit to the Kawerau campus, where Tumu met weavers and also engaged in an impromptu game of Ask the Tumu.
But it's up to our tauira to decide whether that answer is sufficient or is enough.
Te Tai Tuara John Whanga was putting more than his back on the line. Te anga Nathan, te wānanga o Aotearoa.